Hi, good day everyone. I'm John Errol F. Pongyan, BSIT-1B. This is my video presentation about Java Arrays, Lab 9. This is my video presentation about Java Arrays. Guided Lab 1, Introduction to One-Dimensional Arrays. This is the instruction. Number 1. Declare an integers array that can store 5 elements. Number 2. Initialize the arrays with value 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Number 3. Use a loop to print all elements in the array. Number 4. Modify the array such as each element is multiplied by 2 and print the modified array. Copy and run the following code. If you have a Java compiler in online, you may use and open it. If you don't open it, you may copy the code. If you done copying code, you may paste. And the pasting, you may change the public class into main. If you done to change the public class into main, you may run. This is the output. Original arrays 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Modified arrays 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. In Challenge Lab 1, this is the question. Modify the program to reverse the array and print the element in reverse order. This is my answer. The modified Java program successfully reverse and print the array elements in reverse order. The output will be original array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Modified array 20, 40, 60, 100. Reverse array 100, 80, 60, 40, 20. In the guided Lab 2, multi-dimensional arrays instruction. Declare a 2 times 3 two-dimensional array of integers. Initialize the array with value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use nested loop to print all elements in matrix format, row and columns. Copy and the following code. Use again the Java compiler online. If you done copy the following code, you may change the public class into main again. Then run the code. The output is matrix element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In Challenge Lab 1, number 1, modify the program to calculate and print the sum of elements in matrix. This is my answer. The matrix elements and sum of the elements will be output by the change program. The result to be provided matrix will be matrix elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sum of all elements 2, 21. Guided Lab 3, array searching and sorting. Copy and run the following code. And open again the Java compiler online. If you open the Java compiler online, you may copy the code and paste. And the public class, you may change again the main into main and run the code. This is the output. Original array 56, 34, 78, 12, 89, 23, 45, 67, 90, 11. In sorted array 11, 12, 23, 34, 45, 56, 67, 78, 89, 90. Value 45 found at the index 4. Challenge Lab 3. The question is modify the sorting algorithm to sort the array in descending order. This is my answer. The current bubble sort function sorts the array is in ascending order. To modify in descending order, we need to change the comparison in the inner loop. Number 2 question. Element in binary search algorithm on the sorted arrays. This is my answer. The modified code will first print the original array, then the array sorted in descending order, and final indicate whether the search value 45 was found at index. If it was. Thank you for watching.